Hi everyone. Today I and Bella is going to cook for Father's Day. Okay?
Yeah,
So this is the mixed vegetables with the corn and also the carrot. Okay. And then we have the prawn. Okay, the prawn. And we have a slice of chicken breast.
Don't forget.
Okay.
Don't forget.
And then yes, and also we have the egg, and also we have the onion, and also the garlic. Okay, but before we start, Sophia Isabella need to wash her hand. Okay, go and wash your hand, Bella.
I can.
Okay. Okay, so this one.
I still need to do this.
Yes. Okay. Wash the food. You can start with garlic. Okay. Then we will do the inside here.
Now open.
Not yet. Oh, dia got also the one onion. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay.
We love cooking.
Yes, we love cooking. And then okay.
Oh, that's
And
not
then
open.
one more. Okay, Bella, now I need you to yes.
The onions? Never.
Now we will do the slicing of the chicken breast.
But I want to cut.
It's dangerous, Bella.
But
This one Papa will have to do. But then nanti you I put here and you put inside here, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You make it into small pieces.
I'll take it.
Okay.
So fast.
This one I think I do it. Okay, we break the egg. Okay.
I have to be in the egg.
Okay, beat the egg. Alright. This one.
It's color yellow.
Okay, ready? Next, we will, while Bella is doing that, we will the pan. Okay.
Look at
On
me,
the
I'm
lights.
making.
Okay. Okay, Bella, come.
Look what I make.
Okay, now,
Let's see.
yes, it's rice. Okay, so Bella help prepare and she can also sing. Okay, so now, next, we already heat up the pan.
Oh, I'm scared.
Huh?
I can't do it.
Come, lah.
I'm scared.
Come. You have to be strong. Come. Come. Bella, continue to stir. Okay. And you have to sing. Okay, sing. Put lah. Okay. And stir. Okay, very good. Okay. Next, we put in the mixed vegetable.
Okay.
Okay, the mixed vegetable. Bella, put inside the mixed vegetable. Okay. Let's stir. Ini Papa help you.
Okay. Ooh, they make all the
Yes, it smells nice, isn't it? Salt. Okay. I give to Bella and Bella put inside. Alright. One more. It's not enough.
I'm scared.
Yes. But be careful, Papa is here. Okay, I think that's all. Alright. You know what to see? The smell is nice. Very nice. The rice, Bella, I need you to put the rice inside. Okay, come, do it. Alright. Okay, alright. Yes. Okay, great. Okay, Bella, now I need you to stir.
So many.
Yeah, it's so many. Like this.
Happy, Papa.
Okay.
I need to smile.
Yeah, I need smile. Okay, can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me Papa help you.
Every time so hard. I cannot reach with my hands. Look at Papa mixing. It's amazing.
Bella will do the transfer of the rice into this one. Okay, go. Can you do it?
Baby.
Okay, come.
Mm.
Okay.
Papa.
Mm.
I'm so happy. I'm so excited.
Yes, you're so excited.
This is so much work.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh. Heavy.
Mm.
Now we're gonna eat.
Yes, we already prepared the food. Now we will eat together. We already completed our nasi goreng. And now Bella will take some.
I like to eat.
And Papa will also take some.
This is our home.
Yes.
I love my home. I love cooking.
Yes.
I like.
Okay, come. Let's eat together.
I will eat this one first.
Okay, baca doa.
I forget. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma nikana fima zakana wa qina azabana.
Amin. Okay, come. Let's eat.
Maybe. Maybe I'll just eat this.
Yes. Is it nice?
Give it a try. Papa, you forget to eat the chicken.
Mm.
But that tastes so soft. Then he becomes beef. I like it. I love my.
Thank you, everyone.
For watching our
Bye-bye.
video.